Few people know that the average man's sperm count has dropped steadily over the past 40 years. This fact should scare everyone, especially men. However, sperm health is the last thing on the minds of most men. How nutrition impacts sperm is even farther away from our collective consciousness. Many studies by medical professionals have shown that certain foods can negatively impact sperm production. But the good news is that there are foods that can boost sperm count as well. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are healthy fats that may support your heart health. One key benefit is helping to lower your triglycerides. Found in fish like salmon and sardines, as well as nuts like walnuts, and seeds like chia and flax. Omega-3s help improve sperm quality, count, and motility. Vitamin C. Found in oranges, berries, potatoes, tomatoes, and spinach. Vitamin C can help increase sperm count and protect sperm quality. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative stress, which can lead to infertility and reduce sperm cell damage. Besides, vitamin C can protect sperm from DNA damage, which can decrease the risk of miscarriage and chromosomal problems. Vitamin B12 found in meat, fish, and dairy can increase sperm count. In one study, 53.8% of infertile men who took 1,500 micrograms of methylcobalamin for 4 to 24 weeks saw an increase in sperm count. It works in ways to increase the sperm count, enhancing sperm motility, and reducing sperm DNA damages. Lycopene. Lycopene, a pigment found in tomatoes, can improve sperm quality by reducing oxidative stress and protecting sperm from DNA damage. Lycopene neutralizes free radicals, which can reduce oxidative stress that can damage sperm. Studies have shown that lycopene supplementation can increase sperm count. B-complex vitamins. These vitamins include thiamine, B1, riboflavin, B2, niacin, B3, pantothenic acid, B5, pyridoxine, B6, biotin, B7, folic acid, B9, and cobalamin, B12. These vitamins work together to promote good sperm health. Fenugreek. A plant native to India and North Africa, has been used as a natural remedy for poor sperm health and may help improve sperm count and quality. In fact, one 2017 study found that the patent-pending compound furosap, which manufacturers developed from fenugreek seeds, significantly improved overall semen quality and sperm count.